Welcome back, and today I got a good treat for you guys. Let's jump right into it by opening up the package. Yeah, just gotta get... This is a good package opener. Why do you lie, Pops? Just open it here with one hand. Let's see what goodies we got. Oh man, this is huge. Oh my gosh, guys, this is ridiculous. Wow, this is a lot. This is a pretty big one. I mean, it's not the biggest, but it's a pretty big one. It's just one like the creamsicle. It's got the clear, the red, and the purple. And it says one size fits all, so I think it comes with these adapters right here, these brass adapters, so that it can fit any tread pattern. Let's go to the car and check it out. This should be a good time to tell you guys what my next project was gonna be, but it snowed in, so I can't get it out. But if you look, that's what my project was gonna be. But I don't want to dig out all this snow, all that snow, to start working on it. So I'm a little bit at a standstill for the projects. But let me show you Trisha's new car, because I don't think you guys seen this. She picked up, well, I picked this up for her. It's a blue Mazda tree Sky Active, and it's got like the Mazda rain guards, it's got the Mazda roof racks, tinted back windows, and oh no, okay, that was bad. I dropped the shift knob. That was really bad, but I'm gonna fix it. So anyways, yeah, this is the interior. It's alright. And this is the shitty shifter. Oh man. Yeah, you can't even see that. So let's get this shift knob in here before any more stuff happens. Now, I'm also not replacing this just because we want to be cooler. We're actually replacing it because this shifter, when you shift, actually I'll show you what happens when you shift. Look, listen to this. You hear that? Well, doing multiple shifts with that is really annoying, guys. So I'm gonna actually shut that off, because right after I gotta pull the, but look, you can hear it, and quite frankly, we don't want to hear that. Oh no. So when I go to put this on, I gotta check which of these treads here are the master treads. It's not those. There's only 2 treads. That's good. I'm treading this in first because I want this to be treaded in nice and flush. Wow. This is actually, like, it looks small, but it's actually a lot bigger in person. I think Trish's not going to be, like, super happy with this. But then again, wow, guys, this thing, yeah, the boot's okay. On my car, when I have the Dragon Ball Z one, I pulled this boot up and I taped underneath so that it stays like that, but honestly, that's okay. So, wow. Oh my gosh. That's actually really big, guys. And this is a piece of junk. So, that's that, guys. Haven't driven with it yet, so I can't really tell you. But if Trish don't like this, I'm gonna take mine off and put this on my car, because this is pretty badass. And also, why isn't Trish driving this right now? She's not driving this right now because she still has her Lancer. We're trying to sell her Lancer before she drives this, because if she drives this while her Lancer's parked, it's gonna get all rusty on the rotors, and people that are buying it aren't gonna want it. So I said, Trish, we'll keep this one parked, and then as soon as you sell your Lancer, we'll get you behind the wheel of this. And she's like, okay. So that's what we're gonna do. But she's really excited to do this and drive this and all that, but she got to sell the old Lancer. So let's see what Trish's reactions are when she sees this for the first time. Pops, this is your first time seeing it. What do you think?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Well, you're gonna sit in and try it? You need to try it, because this is the gears that the older cars used to have.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. No, this is good.
Does it feel good in the hands?
Yeah.
Is it a little bit big, or is it good size?
Yeah, it's good. Somebody comes after you, you can always take it off and hit them in the head with it. Holy
Oh, that's great.
But anyways, yeah, it's good.
All right, perfect.
I gotta move my
So it's been approved. He's gonna move his car, and yeah, it's a good shift knob. These are my broken pit vipers that broke right here. But anyways, Trish is home from, where are you home from?
Work.
She's home from work, so now we're gonna get to see her reaction of the shift knob, because she hasn't seen it yet.
Was that all that I got? Was the one here?
I had to grab this really powerful light because it's dark out, and you gotta have one of these high-powered lights. This is like over 1 lumen. I don't know if you know much about light on the light spectrum, but it's over 1,000. One sec, Trish, you're getting ahead of me. Look, check this light. Wow. Yeah, it's over 1 lumen. All right, here we are.
Gonna go on the other side to get my Braxton?
Oh yeah. Okay, one sec. Sorry guys, I need to go on the other side. Oh, Trish,
What?
I can't.
Why?
I'm just gonna open the door up, because I'm not going over there unless you want to go over there. Okay. All right, this is the moment of truth. Ready?
What the fuck?
What?
Why is it so big?
You can sit on it too. But what do you think?
I thought it was gonna be like tiny and small.
But it is, right?
No, it was good as fuck.
What? Are you serious right now? You're not serious.
I do not.
Maybe you like put your hand on it and like give it a little like gear wiggle. Yeah, get over in the driver's seat.
No.
That why you don't grab your, you don't even grab it there anyways. You're grabbing it at the boot.
I thought it was gonna be skinny and small. This is a chode.
That's awesome though, right?
No.
Wait, like put the clutch in and like shift some gears how you would normally shift them. Trish, there you go.
This is why I don't want you to put it in without me.
There we go. Go guys. Sookie Trish strikes again.
I'm not sucky, I just like what I like.
But yeah, overall guys, this is a pretty good light. And then if you want to check it and see what I got on my car, I got, well, excuse the mess, but yeah, I just got the Dragon Ball Z Dragon Ball. So Trish, overall, would you rate this good, bad, or ugly?
Ugly.
Okay.
I don't like it. I don't know why you put it on my car without me seeing it because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not.
I know, it's on there permanently forever. You can never take that off.
No, you're taking it off or I'll smash it off. Not literally.
Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I can't see.
I mean,
thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Trish.
putting it on, but
Yeah,
it
it took me like an hour or two to install, Trish.
I just wish you would have done it so that I could have seen.
I know, but if I did it with you.
But if I didn't like it, you wouldn't have had to put it on. And I could have returned it.
Oh, well, maybe it'll grow on you.
No, I'm getting a new one.
Alright guys, so it looks like we're ordering a new one. I don't know what one we're gonna order. Let me know. If you like this, if you don't like it, let me know.
No.
I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.